Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can run your HTML code to the Visual Studio Code live server. So this is really simple. First of all, what you need to do is that open your HTML code in the Visual Studio Code. After that, here you can see we have an extension option here. You can also open this extension by clicking Ctrl+Shift+X. So I'll just click here on this extension option or button. Once you click on it, it will open some search option here. So here I'm going to search for live server. Also search for live server. Let me just make it bigger like this. Once you search for live server, you'll see an icon like this, and here you can see it says live server. So I'll just click on it, and there you can see we have an install button here. So we need to click on this install button. There you can see it is installing and it is installed. So it will take a few seconds to install. So after it, we can just close this and let you just go to the file location. Here you can see index.html. So right now what we need to do is that in order to open this in the live server, we need to click on this view option. Also click on view. Here you can see command plateau. So you can also open this command plateau by clicking Ctrl+Shift+P. So I'll just directly click here. And here we need to search for live server here. And once you search for live server, you will see this option open with live server. And you'll also see the shortcut one here as well. So I'll just directly click here, open with live server. And there you can see it open in the live server, and you will see a link something like this. So I'll just minimize this right now. Let me just make it look like this. So right now, if we just make any changes here and save it, it will be automatically reflected on this live server. So here I'm going to say hello from HTML live server. And if we now just save this in my code editor, there you can see it automatically changes over here. Let's say here H2, and let's also close this. And here I'm going to say I like HTML. Right now, if we just save this, there you can see it will automatically show us over here. So every time we copy, paste, and click on save, it will automatically show us the refreshed data. So this is how you can add live server for HTML in Visual Studio Code. I hope this was easy for you to follow. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.